Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video, I am going to show you on how to find your own phone number on Android. So this is just a very basic tutorial. So just open your phone's settings first and then look for the about phone option. So you can see this to your phone's settings bottom corner or at the top corners. You just have to click on it and then scroll down until you see the all specs and then click on it. Now scroll down all the way to the bottom corner and then click on status. Okay, that's right. Then from there you can now see your phone number for your SIM slot 1 and then for your SIM slot 2. You can also see your SIM status for SIM 1 or for your SIM 2. So that's it. That's how you can find your own phone number on Android. So don't forget to subscribe for more video tutorials in the future. Bye.